Fine girl. I was a fine girl today. Hey, fine girl. Hey, God is great. Oh my God. It choke, baby. It choke. Oh my God. Oh my God. It choke. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It feels good to be back again. I still remain your favorite girl, Innocent Anastasia. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and drop a comment. I'm always grateful to see your comments. I will always reply to your comments. And today I'll be creating an eye look for fooded eyes. As you can see, I don't have crease, so I'll be trying to create something that will be suitable for you. This eye look, trust me, you would love it, and it will also help other my fellow. I don't have to say anything. So just let's go into the video proper. I'll do a voiceover because you can hear the background and hear somebody doing a push on my face. So as I don't get my component and manage this one. Thank you guys. I love you all so much. Thank you for always watching my video.
Sorry guys, I had to do my brows off camera, so now I'll be applying my eye primer. Going in with that dark brown shade from my Morphe palette for my transition. After that, I'll be going in with this blue shimmer. I will apply directly to my eyelid, then use a white liner to line the eye shadow.
His favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and your children. I had to resort to this on my face. I don't know, I felt like doing something, and right now I've been priming my face with Fairy Gold Cosmetic Stay Matte Mattifying Primer, and this is it. This is Fairy Gold. The foundation I'll be going with Adventure Stay Super Stay Prolong Wear Full Coverage Matte Foundation in the shade Golden Toffee. So let's go into the foundation now, guys. This is Fairy Gold, and I'll be going in with the contour. This I'll be mixing this and this.
You cannot fuck with a man like me. BLM till I eat. It's a real life thing, I said it. Tryna do this and tryna do that. Tryna get money, I'm tryna get cash. Tryna get baby and all of that racks. If you know, then you know. When I'm moving on cold, you don't fuck with your bro. Never, don't stop when you know. It's a real life lesson. Man, I call my life a blessing. Counting my grace and counting my blessing. Man, I move good, man, no stressing. Look back then when the girl them shank me. Now I got bread and the girl them text me. Man, I got time for the girl, no flexing. Man, I need money for my mommy, I'm blessing. Was wicked and bad in the game, there's none left here, so I said it with chest. Man, I welcome you to the badland. It's a gangland, any man can get queff. Any man can get quest. In peace to the broskies and the coffee. They be doing lifetime, they be doing life. For my man still on the roads, try to get the bread for the female I'm here. Bishop Sounds.
I'll be trying it, this blush. I'll be using this from my lip palette. This spray is gonna look nice. It's gonna look nice on me. Oh my god. This is what I properly see. I already opened it, so I'm trying to like use it now so I won't fall. I had to mix the setting powder with the beauty because his hair was quite too dark, so I had to mix it. The beauty has a yellow on that one, so if I had used it just on my face, it would be too bright for me, so I had to mix two of them together. So I like this one because it's a bit mild. It's not too bright, but I'm done with the whole highlight, setting my highlight area. As you can see on my face is looking. So I'll be going in with my head and see powder. I'll be using the shade dark choco and bronze for my powder. So now we go wait it. I can't see the show. So you have to like build it into your skin. So I'll be using the shade chestnut for that face. For my chin, chestnut blush. To blush my cheek up. To blush my cheek up. I clean my under eyes. Hope you guys can see this. Maybe this one I want to use. Son, leave me alone. Son, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh.
Back then when the girl them shank me, now I got bread and the girl them text me. Man, I got time for the girl, no flexing. Man, I need money for my mommy, I'm blessing.
I need to spray like you did see some keys from Elegant Beauty. Guys, you feel me? Get. Hey guys, we've come to the end of this video and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I shot this video with natural light and this sun kiss is just making me blush, guys. Like I feel so beautiful. Like this look was I told you I was in a hooded eye look, but I was going, plans changed and I did this and I know I love this look. Trust me, it's looking really fine. I would love to see you try this look and don't forget to tag me. And
if a nigga overlaps, I be getting him shanked. He's about to get fucked with your PC, not DC. He's about to get banged. The pumpy walking properly, and trust me, she's about to get ugly. The block like man can test me, man, I'm scary, but I'm moving. God, amen. What's wicked, I'm body.